If your owner is texting you right now asking whether they should sell, this video is for them. They are making a permanent decision based on a temporary feeling, and that is the most expensive mistake in this business.
The first thing I ask is simple. What changed about the property? Not the market, not the headlines, the property itself.
If the answer is nothing, they are not reacting to their asset, they are reacting to stress. I had an owner last year who wanted out after interest rates climbed. Fully leased, zero deferred maintenance, solid tenant. She was watching CNBC and calling it a strategy. We kept it. 12 months later, she told me selling would have been the worst financial decision of her life. Once they calmed down, I walked them through the replacement math, because most nervous owners have never done it. They see a sale price and think that is the number. It is not. Capital gains, depreciation, recapture, transaction costs, and then what? If they net $300,000 and put it in a savings account, what does that generate every month? Then I show them what the property generated last month. That gap is usually enough to stop the conversation cold. I always tell them to run it by a CPA before deciding anything. But I bring it up because half of them have never had that conversation with anyone. The last thing I dig into is the real reason they want out. Because 9 times out of 10, it has nothing to do with the investment. It is a difficult tenant. A repair that feels overwhelming, a process that feels out of control. Those are property management problems, not investment problems. I had an owner ready to sell a fully paid off duplex because he did not want to deal with maintenance calls anymore. We moved him onto our S.A.V.E. program, and the whole reason he wanted to sell just disappeared. But I do ask them directly, where does this money go after closing? If they cannot answer that, I ask them to wait 90 days and answer it first. Most owners who want to sell at the bottom do not actually want to sell. They want someone to tell them it is going to be okay and hand them a path forward that does not require bailing out. That is the job every single day. If your owner is in that headspace right now, send them this video. And if you want to talk through what it looks like for your specific situation, that conversation starts with Hendricks.